Thumbs down is the download button. Yo! Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another beautiful video on this beautiful channel, on this beautiful day. How you guys girls doing? Hope you're doing great as always. Please check out the description box for all the nice links. Also drop a like, subscribe if you like the content. I have a new link to my wife's channel as well. Check that out if you want to check out some gaming videos and a little bit of me as well. So it's gonna be cool. Today's video is gonna be about the community. So we're gonna talk comments, we're gonna check out community projects that have been uploaded to YouTube for me to showcase here, some shout outs as well, and maybe just a short update on what's going on with my life. So first of all, the update, it's just a really short update. You know, I am working in a city called Udemy, and I'm working as a software engineer, right, for a company called Epiroc. So I don't want to say too much about what we do, but I'm just going to say that it's been going really well, and I have amazing people there that I'm working with, and they're really nice. And we just, you know, work hard every day. They support me and teach me how to work. Since I was fresh out of college, pretty much, I had no clue in how to work in a company like that. And just, you know, just seeing how much support they have for newcomers is amazing. And just a shout, it's just like a tip to all you guys who are getting ready to work, get into the working life after studies. Just be open-minded. Don't be too hard on yourself. Don't say that you don't know anything or you're really scared. I mean, they all companies have support for newcomers. They gotta teach them. You can't just jump into something and expect to know everything at once. It takes years. So what I thought when I jumped into the job was that it might take me a few months. You know, I'm really scared. I gotta do stuff quickly, but it's not really like that. I mean, they give you a lot of time to just, you know, catch up. They have a lot of breathing room for you to work and just get acquainted with everything. So don't worry too much. Just jump in and do your best every day, and I'm sure you'll do just fine. And also another quick note, we'll be moving to that town, Örebro, from Eskilstuna, since I'm commuting right now, and it's a really big pain in the butt, so I'm gonna have to do that. Move over there. We got a flat as well, a 3-room, 2-bedroom, 1 living room, so it's nice. Hopefully we'll be showing you that flat real soon. But thank you guys all for your support. It's been amazing. It's crazy how fast stuff is going. And I hope you guys are enjoying all the content. I know we're putting out a lot of different types of content, but that's pretty much how it's going to be from now on, since we want to just broaden our audience. But I'm sure you understand that. You're all really nice people, and if there's something you don't want to watch, don't watch it. Just, you know, just focus on the programming stuff if that's what you want to do. All right, we're going to jump right in to the community projects now. So I want to show you guys, I don't have a lot right now, but hopefully after this video a lot more of you will want to show off your stuff. Any kind of content you have, I want to see that. So let's go ahead and start off with Shadows, my man Shadows project. All right, so our first project is by my main man, Shadow. He's a legend on the Discord. He helps us out. He helps you guys out, man. Can't thank you enough for all the help. So we're gonna check his game out now. And this dude, he has a family and makes games better than anyone I know. So this is crazy. Look at these animations, bro. He's got all the fishes and everything. The main menu going. Wow, bro. Look at that. Look at that. Even the fish is animated, dude. Damn. All right. Okay. So we got rockets. We got ships. You got score. Also the axis. Everything. Okay, that's nice. Oh, you're using the rockets from Wingman, I think. Nice. Also, there's bubbles behind these rockets, bro. That's crazy. That's insane. What? Enemy types you got. How many torpedoes you got left? Health. Alright, okay, so you can hit the bombs as well. Alright, ooh, you're using the assets. It's nice seeing your own assets in someone else's game. That's nice. Good job, bro. Good job. That looks amazing. Alright, this project is by KishQP. My man. That looks crazy. What is this? It's a tank. You got numbers printing out. That looks nice, bro. Your digital canvas. Alright, so you're moving your tank around. It's not really a game, I guess, but it's a project. Okay, what is this? There's some IMG. Oh, he's got IMGI going. Damn, good job, bro. That looks incredible. Damn, good job. I haven't done that yet. All right, another project by my man KishQP. KishQP. You know this dude's good at Fortnite or something with these letters right here. Damn, he's got main menu. He's using our, yeah, that's from the RPG, right? The settings menu. Yeah, and this is the editor from the RPG. Man, good job, dude. This is a good example of watching my series and making something your own, so you don't have to do exactly what I do. He's got some ninja going. Dang, nice. And we got sound as well. You hear that? All right, this project was sent to me by Alpha TM, my man on Discord. It's got all kinds of animations. This looks like a 3D game in engine. Damn, this looks amazing. You sure you made this? Damn, this is pretty cool. Look at all these animations going. Literally all the physics, all this stuff. Okay, so you're supposed to do stuff. Clean shower. Okay, so you're cleaning up. Okay, nice. You're supposed to clean stuff first. Damn, good idea. All right, this project, we got sound in all these projects now. This is also from my man Alpha TM. At least I got linked this from him. I'm not sure. This looks like a real game, bro. Did you make this? This is like a remake of something. Damn, good job. Oh, you got the lives at the bottom. All right, guys, this game, I can't really get this part away, but whatever. We'll look at this. This game looks cool. I really like this. It's by my man Akshay Moore. Look at this. Look at the detail on this. These arts. He's got the foreground going. He's got the houses. He's got the trees, bro. He's got the background, bro. Damn, this looks incredible, bro. You just need to slow down your animation when you're running slower. That's it. But otherwise, it looks incredible. All right, we got one more, the final one, also by Akshay Moore. This looks cool. I like the sound effects on this one. I want you to listen to this. Pew, pew, pew. That's creative right there. Look at that. Yo, I like that. I love that. All right, you have any bosses or anything? But you don't need to have bosses. I mean, this looks incredible. Ooh, fireballs. Score. I'm sorry, I'm skipping ahead a little bit. I just want to see. Oh shit, it goes ham up in here, son. It goes crazy up in here. Look at this. What? Nice, bro. Nice. Good job. Alright guys, that was all the community videos for now. That's all the demos I had. I want you guys to send me all the stuff, anything you got, any kinds of projects that you have. Just film a little demo of that, put it up on YouTube, give me the link on Discord in the challenges section or wherever, and just tell me, just at me and just tell me I want you to show this off. So we'll keep the community videos alive. Also, I want you to take pictures of your setup, your gaming setup, your programming setup, all that stuff, and just send that to me as well. If you want to make a video, go ahead and do that, put it up, send me a link. Just tell me what it is you're sending me. Alright guys, let's get into the comments. I got a lot of nice comments. I just want to check these out because they're always so awesome. First one here I got from Vasya Vasilic. Hope I said your name right. She or he, I don't know if you're she or he, but this person wrote, console right lines, straight up creative, son. Man, love your videos. Console read line. So I'm supposed to write something to you, right? So I'm just gonna write thanks, bro. Hopefully I wrote something to you. I don't know. Yo, this is amazing, bro. My own Kingsguard, straight up Bane man. Like if Bane man finds you who dislike my videos, he gonna mess you up, bruh. Next one is from Why Not. Let's not think bad of people. There is a very reputed, scientifically almost proved, meaning not theory, saying that most dislikers, people, think thumbs down is the download button. Yo, that's hella funny. I hadn't read this before. I just screenshotted it. This was a live reaction to Why Not's amazing comment. Yo, download button. That's creative, bro. Good job. Okay, did you stop doing these by Quinn Williams? No, I haven't. Yes, I have. I have stopped doing those. I'm sorry. Those got old. But thank you for commenting. Thank you so much for explaining. Lady260191. If you are a lady, thank you, lady. Thank you so much for explaining clearly all these things, bro. Yes, I explain clearly all the things. That's how I do it, bro. Thanks so much. Señor Bajo, Señor Bajo. I can't seem to find the source code. I'm having issues with the font. Now the source code is all in the GitHub description link. Go ahead in there. Let me show you. I'll show you right here. All right, so you go into the description link and you click that, and then you find for whatever different repository you want, you'll find all the source code here. So I'll just show you that real quick. All right, next person, Rishav Goel. I don't know what country you're from, but that's a cool name. You forgot the oh my god in this video. Sad. I know. I've stopped doing the oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I've stopped doing all these things that I used to do. But the next one, Craig Daniel McKeecher. Craig Daniel McKeecher. Hope I said that right. Will you actually finish it? This is the comment I was talking about. I've looked at your other series making games. You don't finish them. I like to learn C# this way, but I don't want to follow along 100+ videos to deserve bail. Just like I said, Daniel. My man, Craig Daniel. If you've gotten to 100 video the 100th video of a series. You probably learned everything there is to learn about that language anyway, so why not just move on? But thank you. I appreciate you want to watch 100 plus videos of my series. That's a big thing for me. Ozki. Thank you, man. You're great. Your accent is pretty good though. Well, I don't have an accent, but thank you so much. Thanks. My pronunciation is pretty good, most probably, but I appreciate that. I try not to have an accent because I haven't even been to India that much once, and I learned all my English from games, online, and books and school. Kilak, my man. Why do you only have 6K subscribers? 7K now. This is easily one of the best C++ game dev channels on YouTube, bro. Thank you so much. Thanks, bro. I appreciate that. That's amazing. Whew, I don't know what else to say. It was pretty much that for this video. Hopefully you enjoy the community updates. I want you to give me all your projects, all your stuff that you have. Upload them to YouTube. Give me a link in Discord. Tell me that you want this to be shown off and I'll do it. As long as it's not anything inappropriate, I'll do it. Like always, take care, guys and girls. Drop a like, subscribe, comment, all that. And follow me on Twitter as well. All that stuff. Links are in the description. Thank you so much. Take care. See you guys and girls in the next one, all right? Bye-bye.